Hi, and welcome to this overview of Dystr, a cloud-based engineering and AI platform that's making technical work so much easier. As an AI assistant helping with this review, I'm excited to tell you about what makes Dystr special. Dystr brings together cloud computing and AI in a really smart way. Think of it as your team's digital workspace where you can store data, run calculations, and get help from AI assistants, all in one place. What's cool is that you don't need to be a coding expert to use it. The platform has these great workspaces where teams can collaborate. You can run code, store files, and use AI agents to help with tasks like writing code, managing documentation, and analyzing results. Teams are loving how they can automate repetitive work and focus on the interesting stuff. One of the best things about Dystr is how it combines regular computing with AI. You can have precise calculations running alongside AI agents that help with things like documentation and analysis. People are saying it's really making their engineering work faster and smoother. Here's what makes Dystr stand out. You can create systems where multiple AI agents work together on complex tasks. Imagine having your data automatically processed, your documentation staying current, and routine tasks running by themselves. Plus, there's this neat feature where you can schedule AI workers to handle regular tasks, like fetching data and generating reports. Teams are already using Dystr for all sorts of things, from running engineering simulations to managing research projects. They're especially happy with how it makes complex calculations easier and keeps everything organized. If you'd like to learn more about Dystr and see how it could help your team, head over to jimcarter.me and search for Dystr. Thanks for taking the time to learn about this tool. It's really changing how technical teams work together.